Precision reigns supreme. Every delivery sets the benchmark. Trojan Alpha 610 automatic grinding and polishing machine. Grinding test, hitting the sample qualification line straight. Sample clamping is firm, and grinding parameters strictly match the delivery standards. Test completed. Measured with a digital height gauge. The tolerance of this batch of samples is around 20 micrometers, meeting the product delivery standards. Ensure every sample undergoes strict inspection and meets the delivery standards. Trojan Alpha 610 Precision Grinding Powerhouse. Quantitative grinding accuracy guaranteed within plus or minus 50 micrometers. Sample delivery standards. We let actual tests speak.
Trojan discover the truth of material.